If you're one of the millions of Twitch streamers trying to boost your views and keep your subscriber count climbing, any number of items on this list of Envato Elements Top 10 Best Templates for Live Streaming could be an invaluable addition to your inventory. All items featured are available with a subscription to Envato Elements. Find the link in the description below. Number 10. VFX Stream Pack by MJake. An action-packed template set. This is perfect for streamers who want to add a little more oomph to their branding. A range of options for color customization, bold transitions, and eye-catching elements make this one powerful pack. Number 9. Stream Scenes After Effects by Graphica. Whether your channel features gaming, esports, walkthroughs, explainer videos, or something else entirely, this multi-purpose After Effects template will see you through thick and thin. It includes 12 ready-made scenes, editable text, and will work in any After Effects supported language. Number 8. Stream Audio Pack by Premium Milk. This is the ultimate live stream template pack for streamers who are musicians, podcasters, or anyone who relies on audio to circulate their content. With this sound-themed set, you can start and end your stream with impact. Number 7. Stream Instagram Stories by Motionbeard. Coming in at number 7 on our list of Envato Elements Top 10 Best Templates for Live Streaming is a pack of 20 announcements and scheduling assists for every Twitch streamer that will help count down upcoming streams in style. Number 6. Twitch Overlay Stream After Effects by Graphica. Plastering one of these stylish overlays on your Twitch channel is the perfect way to incorporate your brand colors into every stream, while showing the world that you really do mean business. It's an extra level of professionalism that can help you stand out from the crowd. If you're enjoying this video so far, ring-a-ding-ding that bell icon to subscribe and show us some love. We'd also appreciate a like and a share if you're feeling especially generous. And now, let's find out the top 5 entries on our Envato Elements Top 10 Best Templates for Live Streaming Countdown. Number 5. Facebook Live Stream by Bobby RS. Facebook Live is a great tool for streamers looking to connect with their audiences on a personal level. This template for After Effects makes Facebook live streaming simple, stylish, and fun. Number 4. Glitch Countdown Logo by Santos HW 7885. The perfect way to build anticipation before a Twitch stream is to set up a dynamic, engaging countdown. When the countdown hits 0, your logo is up in lights, then you're live on the internet, ready to put on a killer show. Number 3. Livestream Bundle by NixMotion V2. A bundle for Twitch streamers that includes starting screens, intermission elements, lower thirds, upper menus, social networks plugins, and more. This pack will make managing your stream so much easier. Number 2. Stream Chatting Pack by Premium Milk. Perfect for those just chatting broadcasts, this pack has everything a Twitch streamer could need to connect with their followers, fans, and viewers while showcasing links to their social channels and donation platforms. Number 1. Stream Gaming Pack by Premium Milk. Player 1 has entered the game. This is the ultimate pack for Twitch streamers who revel in playing Fortnite, Apex Legends, Minecraft, and more. Bold design, simple customization, and bright elements come together to help support passionate gamers everywhere. Now you've got the tools to set up a winning stream. It's smooth sailing ahead for your Twitch channel. Which of the entries in our Envato Elements Top 10 Best Templates for Live Streaming Countdown resonated most with your branding? Let us know in the comments. You can show your support for our content by liking and sharing this video and subscribing to our channel. The next video in the countdown has been chosen just for you. Be sure to check it out before you go. Find all the best live streaming templates in this list by subscribing to Envato Elements. Game on!